Hello and welcome to tutorial 1 of this Java programming web application. We are going to now cover data fundamentals in this tutorial. To start with, I am going to demonstrate how we would declare a variable. Initially, we will write the data type at the beginning, the name following it, and then the contents of the placeholder. So here we have a data type which can be of many different values. We can have doubles, ints, as we can see in the example above, characters, and strings. There are still many more. We then have names, which are just ways to call the variable and give it an identity, and then just the content. That is the basics of declaring variables. Then later on, we also have arithmetic expressions, which are basically mathematical operations in Java. As we can see, here's a very basic one, which is a plus b times c. Now, in Java, there are only the 4 basic arithmetic operations, so multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction. But it's still quite useful. However, there are limitations to what arithmetic operations can be used. However, Java has developed ways to deal with this. Now, I don't expect you to fully understand what I've written here, but this is an example of how Java has dealt with it by using a math object and then using .py. Now, this will allow us to use the .py as you would normally expect it to be used in the real world. Now, rather than just having pure static programs, we can also get input from the user by using the scanner object. In this example I have just used, I have created and initialized a scanner object, then created it, and since we're only getting user input, I've had to use system.in. At a later date, I will explain how we can use scanners as a much more powerful way to manipulate files. Now, the example I'm currently writing out here is a way how we would get input from the user. So we call in .nextLine, because .nextLine is a function with a scanner, and we then use variables to hold the information. Now, I hope this was, hang on. So we use string input to hold the information, and then we can also use this information and manipulate it within the program, as it gives a much better user interaction within the program. Well, that's all for the first tutorial. I hope that helps. I will see you next time in the conditions section.